Real Talk Phrases Podcast.
Podcast from Speak English Daily.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk Phrases Podcast, the show where you learn real English for real situations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mark. Today we're diving into something we all experience every single day, feelings and emotions.
But here's the thing. We're not just going to list vocabulary words. We're going to make you feel confident, using them in real conversations.
Before we start, quick challenge. Can you name 3 feelings you've had just today? Think about it. While we jump in,
Mark, I'm curious. What happens when people bottle up their emotions?
great question. Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She never expressed her stress at work, and eventually, she had a complete breakdown.
That's exactly why emotional vocabulary is crucial. It's not just about English. It's about mental health and relationships.
Think of emotions as a bridge. When I say, I'm overwhelmed with this project, my colleague understands and might offer help. But if I just say I'm fine, that bridge never gets built.
Perfect analogy. Now let's build your bridge. Instead of random lists, let's use the emotion wheel. Picture a circle with 4 core emotions.
First quarter, joy family, happy, excited, proud, grateful. I'm thrilled about my promotion. I feel grateful for your support.
Second quarter, sadness family, disappointed, lonely, heartbroken. I'm devastated about the news. I feel a bit down today.
Third quarter, anger family, frustrated, annoyed, furious. I'm irritated by the constant interruptions. This traffic is driving me crazy.
Fourth quarter, fear family, worried, anxious, terrified. I'm nervous about the presentation. I feel uneasy about this decision.
Notice how each family has different intensities? That's your secret weapon.
Let's play the intensity game. Mark, you're slightly annoyed. Show me.
I'm a bit bothered by this.
Now you're furious.
I'm absolutely livid.
See the difference? Here's your intensity toolkit. Mild. A bit, slightly, somewhat, moderate, quite, really, pretty, intense, extremely, absolutely, completely.
Your turn at home. Say these out loud. I'm slightly worried versus I'm absolutely terrified. I'm a bit happy versus I'm over the moon.
Feel the difference? Your voice naturally changes with intensity.
Time for real scenarios. Emma, you look stressed. What's wrong?
Honestly, I'm feeling overwhelmed. I have 3 deadlines this week, and I'm starting to panic.
That sounds really challenging. Have you considered breaking it into smaller tasks?
You know what? Just talking about it makes me feel more hopeful. Thanks for listening.
Pause. What did you hear there? Honest emotion sharing. Empathetic response. Solution-focused support. Gratitude for connection.
Now your turn. Practice this conversation. Person A, share a current stress. Person B, respond with empathy. Person A, express how that made you feel.
Remember, I feel is more personal than I am. Try both and notice the difference.
Professional settings need different emotional language. Instead of I'm pissed off, try I'm concerned about this approach.
Exactly. Here's your professional emotions toolkit. Instead of saying, try saying, I'm freaking out. I'm feeling pressured. This sucks. This is challenging. I'm dying inside. I'm struggling with this. Whatever. I'm disappointed, but I understand.
And when colleagues share emotions, that must be frustrating, not that sucks. I can see why you'd feel that way, not yeah, whatever.
Here's your emotion-boosting homework. Week 1, every morning text someone. I'm feeling emotion because reason. Week 2, when someone asks, how are you? Give a real answer with an emotion word. Week 3, practice empathetic responses. That sounds, I can imagine you feel.
And here's a game changer. Before you sleep, say out loud, today I felt emotion when situation. Your brain will start automatically processing emotions in English.
Before you go, here's your immediate challenge. In the comments, complete this sentence. Right now I'm feeling, because.
We'll respond to every single comment with empathy practice. This is your safe space to experiment.
Remember, emotions aren't just vocabulary words, they're the key to authentic human connection.
And fluent English isn't just grammar, it's the ability to share your inner world with confidence.
See you next time, when we explore small talk that actually matters.
Until then, feel deeply, speak boldly, bye.